Must versus have to. Two different ways to show obligation. So what's the difference? Let's have a look at it. First of all, please let me remind you the vibe of modal verbs, because every modal verbs has got a special vibe to show you a special attitude, special feeling. And what about must and have to? What are the special attitudes? Well, on the one hand, we have must, which is more for internal and personal, whereas have to is more external and factual. But I think that with examples, we can see this much clearer. For example, imagine that tomorrow you have an important test, and you say, I have a huge test tomorrow. I must study all night if I want to pass. I use must because it is my personal opinion. It's not that somebody is telling me to study. It's because I think this is good for me. So it's something internal and personal. Or for example, if you're talking to a friend and your friend tells you, you must watch this new series, it's so good, there is no obligation to watch the series, but it is a recommendation, a very strong recommendation. It's like if you use should for advice, but if you use must, it's stronger. What about have to? In this case, it's something external. The obligation comes from someone else. For example, in a class, the teacher says, all students have to submit their homework by Friday. It's not my opinion that it's a good idea to submit my homework by Friday. It's because the teacher told me to do that. It's an external obligation. Or for example, if I say, he has to work late tonight to finish the project, in this case, it's because his boss has told him to do that. It's not because he thinks it's a good idea to finish the project tonight. No, it's because he has to finish it because his boss tells him to do that. So as a summary, remember that must is a kind of personal rule. It's something internal, or it also can be a strong opinion, whereas have to is a rule which comes from the outside. Keep it simple, and of course keep practicing. It is a simple video, but remember that this is English Express. If you want an extended version, you can have this video on my channel about models of obligation. It is longer, it is in Spanish, and with more examples. If you like this video, please leave me a like, and as always, enjoy your English.